Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Are you all staying at your home now? Very good. We all know that we all are going through a very dangerous situation nowadays due to COVID-19. So, don't go anywhere, don't go outside. Stay at your home, all of you. Okay? Are you all ready for today's class? How many of you are ready? Raise your hand, please. Okay, you all are ready. Very good. Let's start our today's class here. Okay, very good. Today I have brought you something. Do you want to know what is it? It is. See this? See this? What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. What type of book is this? Can you say what type of book is this? This is a dictionary. What is this? This is a dictionary. You know what, for what purpose we are using a dictionary? For what purpose we are using a dictionary? We use a dictionary to get the meaning of unknown words, right? Okay, do you have a dictionary at your home? Do you have a dictionary at your home? No? Yes? Okay, very good. If you have no dictionary at your home, then you should buy a small one. Okay. So my dear children, today we are going to learn dictionary skills. What we are going to learn today? Dictionary skills. We are going to learn how to use a dictionary. Okay, ready? Then all of you take page number 11. Take page number 11. Okay. So hope you got page number 11. Have you got it? Very good. Then dictionary skills. A dictionary is a book of words. What is the dictionary? It's a book of words. It helps you spell words and gives you the meanings of words. Some dictionaries have pictures too. For what purpose we are using a dictionary? For what purpose we are using it? It helps us to spell the words and it gives you the meaning of words. If you don't know the meaning of any word, we can refer a dictionary. We will get the meaning. Okay? So, the words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. You know, the words in a dictionary is arranged in a alphabetical order. Let us see it, okay? So my dear children, see this? The words begins with letter A comes first. Okay, can you see this? Okay, then the word comes with B, letter B, it comes second. And the words begin with Z comes last. Like this, the words are arranged in a dictionary. So, let us learn how to use it, okay? All of you look at page number 11. There are some words given. How many words are given there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many words are given there? 12 words. Okay. Then now we are going to arrange these words the way they appear in a dictionary. First, let us read the words. Okay. All of you read it. First one is miracle. What is it? Miracle. Then sun, school, home, book, fairy, nose, bicycle, ship, ill, work, together. So, these are the 12 words. Now we are going to arrange these words the way they appear in a dictionary. So, tell me which word comes first? Which word comes first? As I told you before, the words begins with letter A comes first. So, is there any word start with the letter A? Can you find it? No, there is no word, right? So, we should see the second one. We should see the second letter in alphabets. Which is the second letter? It is B. Okay, B. Is there any word starting with B? All of you look at your textbook. You got it? Okay, how many words you got? You got 2 words. 2 words. Have you got 2 words? Which are the 2 words? Read it. All of you read it aloud. Which are the 2 words? First one is bicycle and the next one is book. So how can we arrange these words in a way which appear in a dictionary? How can we arrange it? So my dear children, we are going to arrange it. Okay. So we got 2 words starting with the letter B. Okay. So we got 2 words. So how can we arrange it? When we get 2 words starting with the same letter, what should we do? We should see the second letter of that words. See the second letter of bicycle. Which word is the second? Which letter comes in the word bicycle? It is I. Okay. Then which word comes in second in the word book? It is O. So in alphabetical order, which word comes first? I or O? Which word comes first? It is I, right? So we should write bicycle first. Which word comes first? Then it is bicycle. Okay. There is no words starting with A letter. So we choose an B. Then bicycle comes first. Then which word will come? Which word will come? It is book. Okay. Then is there any word starting with the letter C? There is no word. Is there any word starting with D? Again there is no word. Then is there any word starting with letter E? No. Then is there any word starting with letter F? Yes, there is a word. Which is that? Read it. It is fairy. What is the word? Fairy. So the word fairy comes in the 3rd position. Okay. Then which word come? It is home. It is home. Then ill, miracle, nose, school, sheep, sun, together, work. Okay. These words comes in this rule. Okay. These words are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay. You got the meaning? Now I hope you learned how to check a dictionary. Okay. How to use a dictionary. You got it? Okay, very good. Then we can move on to the next page. All of you take page number 12. All of you turn your page. You got page number 12? There is an activity, an interesting activity is waiting for you. Can you see the activity? Let us read the question first. Okay? Okay. What is the question? Arrange the words from the box below in the way they would appear in a dictionary. What has been done for you? So you should arrange those words. Some words are given there. Can you see that? How many words? 8 words are given. Okay. Let us read the words first. Sly, cunning, good, kind, great, loving, caring, helpful. So 8 words are given there. You are going to arrange these words which they would appear in a dictionary. Okay. So all of you do it now. All of you try to do this activity now. I am waiting here. Okay. So dear children, you got the answer? I hope you all have done this activity now. You got it? Then read your answer. All of you read your answer. One example, one answer is given there. It is caring. Okay. Then which word comes second? Can you say the answer? So my dear children, I hope you got the answers now. Okay. You got it? Very good. I know that you all are wonderful children. So let me read the answers first. You check your answers. Okay. And you check your answers when I read the answer here. Okay. First one is caring. That is already given there. So no problem. Then second one. What is the second word? Is it cunning? Is it cunning? Yes, very good. That is cunning. Next, third. Third is good. Is it good? Yes, very good. Then fourth one. You please say. All of you say which word comes as in the fourth position. Which word comes? It is great. Right? You got to say correct answer. Very good. Then fifth one is helpful. Which word comes fifth? It is helpful. Then sixth one is kind. Seventh one is loving. And the last word is sly. Eighth one is sly. Okay. It was a very interesting activity, right? Okay. You all enjoyed it? Very good. So, my dear children, now I give you a work to do. Are you all interested to do the work? I give you a homework now. Okay. Very good. So, all of you write those words in your notebook and find the meaning of these words with the help of a dictionary. What you should do? I give you 5 words. How many words I will give? I will give you 5 words and you should find the meaning of these words with the help of a dictionary. Okay, you can refer a dictionary and you will get the meaning of these words definitely. Okay, are you ready to do? Then all of you write those words in your notebook. Okay. So, these are the 5 words. Let us read it first, okay? First one is toothsome, agile, quail, whale, payment. Okay? All of you check a dictionary and find the meaning of those words. Okay, children? Okay, we will continue in the next class. Till that, bye.